Another exciting week here at Live Good. All right. The reason why I say that, and anybody can say that. Okay, man, I'm having a good week, and we're just crushing it and killing it. Boy, the sales are through the roof. Okay. In my case, the reason I say it's an exciting week is my background has been media, mostly FM rock radio. I've owned a whole bunch of nightclubs over the last 35 years. And it's important when you have social media or at least advertising. And back in the day in the 80s and the 90s, FM radio was just killing it, And then, of course, online comes Sirius XM, a lot of competition, Spotify, podcasting. Okay. And I just love entertainment and I love entertaining. Okay. So when I came aboard Live Good March of 2023, I was just buying the products. You can see some of them on my little mini fridge off to the screen here. But when I became an affiliate, I just said, I have 40 bucks. That's all I have to spend is 40 bucks to be an affiliate. So if I do a video or post or send an email inviting someone to click something to watch a short video about Live Good, touchdown. Okay? Now, I have been doing this a lot over the last year or two, thousands of times. I'm a big fan of doing videos like what you're watching right now. And of course, posting on social media to me is fun. You can angry ones or crazy ones or fun ones, put up jokes, do crazy stuff. But one thing that I'm a big fan of is when a company or my product or my opportunity goes somewhat mainstream. And my goal with Live Good is the word household. I want Live Good to be a household name, just like the band Kiss. Okay, even if you're not into rock and roll, you've probably heard of Kiss. How about a little higher? Have you heard of Hot Wheels? How about Barbies? All right, I have Harley Davidson Barbie, Farrah Fawcett Barbie. I have a custom doll, Kiss. That's Groupie Barbie with a Kiss t-shirt. Okay, but you've heard of a lot of things. Walmart. All right, Amazon. Now, Live Good is on the brink of being a household name. There's not a day that goes by that if I'm on the street just messing around doing stuff, it could be at a car show, maybe shopping, just messing around, going to dinner, someone will bring up Live Good to me. Okay? And what I've always done is say, yeah, it's a cool opportunity. I love the products and the money's there. Check it out. And I give them a business card. Okay? I bought joincory.com and that's all I really say. I don't say much on a street level about Live Good. I think it's better to have someone click joincory.com and go ahead and click it right now if you're not in Live Good. You can see the capture page. You're going to have the same page. You're just going to change it to where you can put your name at the top instead of mine. You'll see Cory Draper's website. Okay. Have people watch the Live Good video produced by Ben Glinsky and the Live Good team. It's about 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Okay. It talks about everything. Products, wholesale, retail, how the comp plan works. Everything in 6 minutes. While you are relaxing, doing other things, inviting people to hopefully watch that video as many times as possible per day, per week, per month, per year. Okay? You're not going to have to be a teacher. You don't have to be a trainer. You don't have to be a guru. If you want to do a video like this, awesome. Buy a webcam or get yourself a cell phone and just do a little selfie. You can do, I like this way. Okay, now most people do the little TikTok videos this way. It's up to you, whatever your preference is. I prefer a webcam. That way I have, a drink. I have notes. I have little Post-it pads next to my webcam. So if I get lost or my train of thought goes all over the place, I can kind of, boom, reel myself back in. All right, but getting back to household name, we are real close. Now, we debuted December 13th of 2022. We are about 2 years and 2 to 3 months old. Okay, we're still very new. But in 2 years, we've signed up 1.8 million people. We're in over 200 countries. We have 15 million bucks of wholesale pricing going out the door. All right, not retail. If we retailed it, you can times that by 100. Okay, but out of Jupiter, Florida, we have had to increase to 3 buildings for our distribution center. Okay, we have DHL International sending our products worldwide with tracking. We're setting up distribution centers in the UK, Asia, of course, Africa, wherever we need it. I think we're already up in Canada, I heard. But whatever it takes to get our products to you faster and cheaper is going to be the goal. Because who knew in 2 years and 2 months that we would have 2 million people as members and affiliates, and we're on our way to 20, 30 million eventually. Just like Amazon, just like Netflix, you start out and go, whoa, hold on. Okay, Netflix was not a household name. Amazon, it took a little while. And they even restructured Netflix. You used to get like a little DVD in the mail and you'd send it back. And if you kept it, they'd just charge you the price of whatever it cost. Amazon was doing used books. LiveGood, we're specializing in insanely high potent health products for wholesale. Healthy things to put in your guts. We have shirts, we have hats. We're going to go into other divisions as well. But right now, we are just dominating as far as the best products online. And when you have wholesale pricing, no one can compete with us. We don't focus on retail. That's your job. You buy the products and you resell them if you want. You can go to Amazon, Jim, sell out the back of your trunk. All right? Just pay tax on that income, right? Wink, wink, nod, nod. It's up to you guys. I know you know better, right? But the reason why I'm excited this week is we are starting to show up on like Fox News, Fox TV. We are showing up on the biggest podcasts online, which have way more views than like ABC, NBC, all the big networks here in America. Okay? So I invite people to joincory.com, and it takes people to the Live Good capture page like we talked about. Okay? I also post on social media. Okay, this is my Facebook page. This is live. Let me put myself over here so you can see my screen a little better. I made this picture. I thought she was just an awesome girl, just working out, killer body. I put the Live Good logo with my joincory.com. But look at the podcast we're showing up on. All right, this guy's funny. This is Bert. All right, if I remember right, he went to like ASU or a Florida college, but he got voted like the most wild college guy. And he got real famous, and then he started doing sports and podcasts and stuff. Okay? Super famous guy. And he is now in a bench press where you lay on your back and you bench press. He's in a bench press competition. So he has advertisements now on his podcast, and you'll see this all over like YouTube, for example. He talks about Live Good. All right? He uses Live Good products to get his bod rocking for his competition. All right? Maybe you heard of Joe Rogan. All right, man, comedian, TV host, UFC host, hundreds of millions of dollars coming in by hundreds of millions of people. And his podcasts are just the best. They're 2 to 3 hours. Joe is a fitness maniac. Cool shirt, by the way. I love Cypress Hill, the band, if that's who he's promoting. But anyway, now Joe is promoting Live Good products. All right, exciting. That's what I mean about household name. Okay? Russell Brand, you know him. I love his smart-ass humor. He's crazy. He's from, I think, England, somewhere over in the UK. Awesome actor. How about, what was that show? Bring Him to the Greek. And, he's in another one that's part 2 to Bring Him to the Greek. I forgot. Saving or I can't remember. They go to the beach. I love that show. It's where he goes to the beach and he's a smart ass and the guy's in love with his ex-wife and they meet in Hawaii. But he's got a great podcast. He's obviously a stand-up comedian. But Russell Brand now, all right, doing a great job. All right, he endorses Live Good. It's all over his show too. So when I'm driving down the road, it's exciting to have podcasters, because I've been in broadcasting 35 years. I've had purerockradio.com. It's my radio station, literally on the other side of this wall. But it's great to have these guys aboard. It's awesome if you can get your body rocking like that, right? Although I don't know if I'd look good in that tank top. Maybe I should have a guy looking all muscly and cool. Okay, but I'm a big fan of when something I'm involved in becomes mainstream enough where if someone says Live Good, they're like, oh yeah, God, I know what Live Good is. Yeah, they sell healthy products, the best ingredients for wholesale pricing. Yeah, great opportunity to earn money. And you don't have to buy products, which you don't. We're a membership-based website. Okay, we're like Amazon. They focus on Prime, where you get free shipping and some other goodies. We're like Costco. They sell everything wholesale inside, but they have hundreds of millions of people paying anywhere from $75 to $150 a year. So they're a membership company, and so is Amazon. And so is, a golf course. All right, those fees to be a member is crazy, isn't it? But anyway, Live Good is going places. All right, to be somewhat of a mainstream household word. Wow. This is the first time where, when I'm driving around and if I'm listening to Fox and I hear Ben and it's a really well done commercial, whoever produced it, good job, Ben, and the guys that are in charge, Ryan, Lisa, and Nodder. Good decision making. I'm real critical on radio ads and media, and the ads are great. They have good energy. They're not too fast where you can understand what Ben is saying about Live Good. And we're all over the place, which in places that I really am a fan of, which is podcasting. Okay, FM radio is okay, but I'll tell you, podcasting, it's addicting. There's less commercials, right? If any commercials at all, other than short little ones like Live Good here and maybe some other ones. Okay, but podcasting, very addicting. So to have Joe Rogan, Bert, and Russell Brand. Oh my God, I'm excited, man. So anyway, good job, guys. I just wanted to do a 10, 11-minute video about things. If you don't mind, I'd like to show you my domain again, how you join. Oh, there you go. Let me get out of the way. joincory.com. All right, click it. Watch that video. Put your name and email address in. I'll send you some more information. Or if you want to join, put in your name, email, click the orange button below, and then open up your Live Good email, and you can join from there. It's super easy, okay? All right, I'm out of here, guys. Boom, peace and love. If you're on my YouTube channel, subscribe. And if you're on Facebook, you can always inbox me. Okay, if I can help you out, I will. And boom, my email address. I've had it almost 40 years. Cory@CoryDraper.com. I keep it pretty simple. All right, guys, have a good one, and thanks again for your time. All right, take care. Bye-bye.